Well, I'm out with the girls today. We just had a really nice point. Sydney came in, pointed. Jessie came behind her and pointed. And they were looking, staring in this spot. And I'm crawling up, sneaking up, and the bird goes off to the left. I caught a glimpse of it, but no shot. Now for Sydney, this is a playland, because you see all these trees here. And of course Sydney loves these trees. And there she goes. See, this is what she does. Come on. Oh. Jessie, lay down, honey. She's 12 years old. We've had a heck of a hike so far. And her back end is starting to shake a little bit. But she still wants to hop and jump, and don't you? Huh? Come here. Jess. Sid. Hey, take a break. Sydney. I don't know. That's slippery, Sid. Sydney! Come down here. Come here. And be careful. It's slippery. It's moss covered, damp, and she's going around it. Oh, God. She just can't stay on the ground. Sid, I don't know what I'm going to do with you. Sydney, no. Get off of there. Let's lay down. What do you see? You see something? Oh, beautiful. We got a big wall over here. Goes way up. We're walking through a canyon. The first time I've been actually in this part is down a split rock, but in between a couple of my covers. So it's kind of like a new cover. We only came across one bird, but this winter should be good because there's a lot of hemlock, low hemlock. And if there's any birds around, they should be around. And we'll have to hike it. So we'll see. In the meantime, Jessie! Come here. Jess! Come here. Come here. Can you take a break? Jessie! Break time. Lay down. Down. Oh my. So, I guess that's the best thing that we can do. That's my girlie. Yes. How are you? You good girl? Huh? Yeah. Ready to go? Okay. Back end's motivating, but it's not easy. Alright, we'll say goodbye. We're on the trail. As my wife Val would say. On the trail.